Suddenlink Altice USA Internet Review. Watch before using. Most people get ISPs wrong. They assume speed and reliability are uniform across providers. The surprising truth about Suddenlink Internet is that it offers competitive speeds and bundled services, and you won't believe the variety of options depending on your location. Here's how it works. Suddenlink provides cable internet with speeds ranging from 100 Mbps up to 1 Gbps in select areas. Bundles often include TV, phone, and mobile services. Customers can choose plans based on speed needs, household size, and budget. For example, a family streaming movies, gaming, and video calling can choose a 500 Mbps plan to avoid buffering and latency issues. Most people get this wrong. They assume cable internet is slow, but Suddenlink's network performs reliably in many urban and suburban areas. Additional features include Wi-Fi routers, online account management, email services, and optional security packages. Users appreciate the bundled discounts, consistent speeds, and responsive customer support in many regions. However, there are considerations. Availability varies by location, promotional pricing may expire, and installation fees can apply. Most people assume advertised speeds are guaranteed, but real-world speeds depend on local infrastructure and home setup. In conclusion, Suddenlink Internet is ideal for households seeking flexible plans, bundled services, and reliable cable internet, particularly in areas where the provider is strong. Subscribe for more honest reviews of internet and telecommunication services.